Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muntasir Ahmed. My ID is 232-35351. And today I am going to give a presentation about a SDLC model, which is waterfall model. First of all, introduction. What is SDLC model? So, SDLC model is a process followed by a software project within a software organization. It consists of a detailed plan describing how to develop, maintain and replace a software. These are some of the few SDLC models, and the models are waterfall models, RAD model, spider model, V model, incremental model, agile model, iterative and Big Bang model. Now, today I am going to present waterfall model. Now, what is waterfall model? Waterfall model is a linear sequential approach to software development. It is called waterfall model because it follows a sequential progress from the top to the bottom. And as you can see, these are some of the steps of waterfall model. Now, there are 6 phases of waterfall model, and they are requirement gathering, system design, implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. These steps follow each other. These are some of the advantages of waterfall model. Waterfall model is clear and well defined. In waterfall model, your requirement should be defined and clear. In a waterfall model, each step follows the previous step. Like each step, if you have to complete a step to go to the next one. If you didn't complete one step, you can go to the next step. And then documentation is produced at each stage. It means it is done one at a time. The client is involved through the process because they ensure that the progress is going as planned. Now there are some of disadvantages of waterfall model. That is, the waterfall model is inflexible. Inflexible because you cannot change the requirement. And another disadvantage of waterfall model is the client cannot give feedback during the process. So, when will you use waterfall model? We will use waterfall model when the project have a defined and clear requirement, and it is not, and the goal is not to be changed. And also we can use when our timeline is very short and we have to make the software in a very short period of time. We have to always remember that if we choose waterfall model, the goal should be well understood and the technologies should be well understood, because the risks are very unknown. In conclusion, the waterfall model provides a structured approach to software development, emphasizing a linear and sequential progression through phases. While it offers clarity and simplicity, its rigid nature can be a limitation in dynamic projects. Thank you for your kind attention. Okay.